Welcome to this introduction to using virtual reality with autistic young people. In the next few minutes, we will guide you through a gentle structured protocol to make VR experience safe, supportive and engaging.
Start with preparation. Each young person is different, and understanding sensory sensitivities is key. We should pay attention to light, sound, motion and touch. Let us begin with light. Too much brightness can be overwhelming, so choose dim, calm environments and reduce contrast. This can be adjusted on every headset, but the setting is located differently on each device, so you need to check the manual for the specific headset. Motion should be minimized. Use teleportation instead of smooth walking to reduce motion sickness. Teleportation allows users to instantly move from one position to another. Nearly every VR headset includes a tutorial how to teleport. Typically, users point the controller toward a desired location, press and hold the designated button, then release it to teleport. A curved arc or marker usually shows where you'll land before confirming the move. Start every session with the sound muted. Give the person the moment to look around the starting space, which is usually a virtual living room or a lobby. Once you're in a lobby, a menu will appear. You can show or hide it by pressing the menu button on the controller. When a menu is cleared, the person can fully enjoy the environment and explore at their own pace. If they seem comfortable, slowly introduce soft background audio like gentle nature sounds. This is also a great time to let them practice using the controllers and try out teleportation. You can use these moments to fine-tune the lighting and sound setting based on their preferences. Avoid the limit vibrations unless the participants chooses to explore them. Use visual tools to prepare short social stories or a picture-based schedule showing what to expect. For younger participants, a great tool is a VR passport, a fun activity book that lets them track each small achievement along the way.
Orientation is all about reducing anxiety. Let the person handle the headset so they get used to the feel of it. Then explain the activity in simple, clear steps. Use a timer to show how long they try and reassure them. They can stop at any time. You can exit any application at any time and you can always see how long you've been in the simulation. For example, with the Nimbus smartwatch, you can simply tap it any moment to exit. Watching a peer or video demonstration is often helpful. Offer choices to stay calm. The session should last no more than 5 minutes. Just like in a lobby, it is helpful to spend some time in virtual space before starting the exercise. Encourage the person to look around, move and teleport so they feel at home. Avoid sudden movements or loud sounds. Do not touch the participant unless you really need to. If you do, tell them first where and why you touch them. Also make sure that they heard and understood what you do before doing anything.
Now the person is ready for light interaction. Begin with observing a task, such as someone fixing a car or organizing tools. Then move into guided actions with clear prompts. Use one-step instructions and keep the task pattern predictable. In professional training simulators, the detailed step-by-step visuals are sometimes not enough for a neurodivergent person. If this happens, the instructor should break the task down into even smaller steps and give verbal guidance to support the learner. Reinforce successes with friendly animations or gentle sounds. Always give them the option to pause or end the task. Feedback and adaptation. After each session, reflect, ask questions such as, what did you like? Was anything too fast or too loud? Caregivers and facilitators should log reactions and adjust future sessions. Celebrate every step forward, even if small. Tools and tech. Use lightweight wireless headsets like MetaQuest or Pico Neo. Choose software designed for neurodiverse users like Nimbus Discover, Career Guidance Softwares or Interview Master. With the right steps, VR can become a powerful tool for learning, growth, and confidence building.
Let's make VR welcoming, one step at a time.